What's going on YouTube? It's Deewin with another video for many people out there. And today, take time back again with another reaction video. That's right. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn the notification button as well to be notified. So every time my dance challenge, dance cover, dance covers, just dance move, or anything dance related. And also, don't forget to check out my previous videos if you haven't seen my video, and show love my previous videos and all good stuff as well. If you're new to our, thanks for subscribing, join the journey, and also for tuning in. I appreciate the love and support. Now we're going to just react to Omarion Open Up Dance Class video by Popaul and Deewin. Choreography. So no further ado, let's get right into it. Let's get it. Okay. Hey. Boom with it, rock with it, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. I can little rhythmness into this. Ooh, okay, go off then. Yeah. Very smooth with it, and very, like a little slow. Let's go. Little slow movement going on here. Okay, I like that. Hey, hitting those beats, I see. Musicality, yeah. Musicality too, I like that. Very nice with it, very smooth with it. Rock with it. Okay, go off then. Yeah, yeah, hit. Ooh, let's go. Okay, go off, yeah. Hey. Also, come over to close to this chorus so far. Very smooth. Would it rock with it? Ooh, okay. I like that part. Okay, did that. We're doing that. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. What? Ooh. Let's go, yeah. Say what? Hey. Okay. Okay. Okay, going off with it. Okay, got a little bit of everything going on here. Okay, important to it. Okay, I like that. More with it. Let's go. Hey, yeah. What's a combo? What's your favorite dance style you guys enjoy doing? Down below there. And also, what's your favorite dance choreography that you guys have in mind? You guys can really comment down below there as well. Let's get it. She's going off with it. Yeah. Hey. Let's go. What? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, they did that. Okay, got a whole class going on. Okay, I like that. Smooth with it. What's going on with it? Like how they think as well. Shout out to the Fungus too, by the way. Hey, let's go, yeah. Ooh. So if you guys been doing this so far, smash that subscribe button. Come forward to this part. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, they did that. Gotta get that to it. Okay, got a nice group on. Let's go. Say what? Hey. Yup. Hey. Let's go. Go up there. very sharp, clean, dense concrete. And I like how in sync they are. And I guess that's going to answer that as well. Let's go. Okay, the Delphi did that, it killed that. And also, I guess that's it of that. So if you guys enjoyed that, smash that like button. Definitely comment below what you thought of that pro if you guys enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, notification button as well to be notified. So you'll be notified and you don't miss out on my future videos and all good stuff as well. And don't forget to leave any dance requests down below as well if you guys have any dance requests that you guys want me to do. Any dance profies, dance covers, dance moves, anything like that in particular you guys have, definitely leave it down below. Then I didn't forget right into it as well. And also if you're new to thanks for subscribing and also for tuning in and also for joining the journey. And I appreciate love and support, and definitely check out my previous videos if you haven't already and show love my previous videos and all that stuff. And that being said, that's been your boy David. Actually, before I sign out, I just want to say shout out goes to the two profs. Shout out goes to them too. They definitely did that, they killed it, and that was an amazing trophy. And keep doing what you're doing. And yeah, shout out goes to you too. And yeah, and I enjoy that. If you guys enjoyed as much as I did as well, smash the like button, comment below as well. And also go and show them some love on their page as well for the two profits. And that being said, it's been your boy David. Thanks so much for watching. I'm signing out. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah.